Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Learning. Thank you all for so many subscribers. Thanks for watching my video. If you want us to make any specific kind of the video, please write down in the comments what kind of videos you require for training purpose. Today I am going to teach you one of the most basic and the most important topic of grammar, that is how to frame sentences. It is very important to understand how to frame sentences, because if the placement of the words in a sentence is wrong, then your sentence may go wrong. That is the reason it is very important to understand what is the subject, what is the verb and what is the object. So, in English we need three things to frame a sentence, that is subject, verb and object. So, many people make a mistake understanding that subject is especially the first word of a sentence, or the sentence begins with that particular one word, that is a subject. So, many people get confused. So, it is not necessary that the subject will be only I, we, you, they, he, she, it or name of the person. The subject can be combination of two words or more than one word or more than one word. For example, my mother is a good cook. Here the subject is my mother, is the primary verb. Second sentence, my elder brother is my real hero. So, the subject is my elder brother. Next is Ram likes chocolates. So, Ram is a subject. So, this way it is very important to understand how to recognize a subject. For example, curd is sour. So, here curd is a subject. So, guys, keep watching, keep learning. Thanks for now. Bye bye.